Hey everyone, it's Tim, and I am sitting here in my shop trying to figure out what I should do next. I have so many projects, and I'm kind of at a stance. I don't know what to do next. So maybe you guys can help me out a little bit. I'd love to hear your feedback. Let's show you what I've got. So here are some of the projects. We've got the go-kart, which I left outside, and our stinking puppies ate the seat. So now I need to reupholster that. Shouldn't be too hard. But this thing needs a few things. Need to get some nice paint on it. You can see where it got sanded down because I was welding a new pan on there. It does need a new clutch, which shouldn't be that bad. And then a little fuel line needs to be replaced. Then we have the golf cart, which I would like to put a lift kit on, also a rear seat, and I want to paint it and also reupholster the seats. I want to make this purple with black seats. Should be pretty cool. Of course, I've got just stuff in my shop that I need to do, like finish up my bathroom. Or maybe I should just work out because I'm getting old and fat. But then over here, I have an old sunfish sailboat. This could use some work on it. I just rolled it in here the other day. The trailer needs some love. The sail actually has a rip in it, so I need to do some repair or just get a new sail. Not sure if it's repairable or not. This is in great shape. It's from the 70s. Speaking of from the 70s, we have an MGB GT right here. Needs some work. It is not running. Pretty rust-free, that is. It has a couple little spots that need addressing, but for the most part, this is a really solid car. And then if I scoot back here and look up on my lift, I've got my E36 BMW, and got a few things on that need some work, like a new clutch slave cylinder. Need to replace one of the headlights. The halo stopped working on it, and so I just got new headlight bulbs, or headlights. So yeah, there's a few of my projects. I also have some other cars, like a Subaru Outback that needs the valve body replaced. I need to do a shift solenoid on a Yukon XL. And then I have an old Merkur XR4 Ti that needs everything. Anyway, if you have some ideas what you want to see, let me know. You guys have a good one.